This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Motor Expo again. NEX. They have different stuff. They have a pickup truck. They even have a truck over there. And something here that will be shown later. I think this is some kind of MPV. But okay, let me check out this. Another pickup truck, fully electric. But as you probably see, it doesn't have that passenger cabin in the back, which is probably good because it means that we have more space. We see here, well, what? This is range. I was looking for something here. Not sure, but there's also something here. I think this might be the fuel opening that has been sealed, and then you're supposed to plug it in over there. But you only get this cabin here. So maybe that's a good thing because it means more space for... Why is it blinking? But okay, you see here, no nonsense interior. You just get what you're supposed to get. Nice comfortable seat for the workers, construction worker or whatever. Wait, does it actually have the smokers package? Oh, it does. Holy shit. You know what I did when I was a kid? I pressed it, and then after a while it popped out after a couple of minutes, and I was like, huh? And then I touched it, like, ah! Yeah, comment if you did the same thing. I was burned for weeks because of that. Oh, the burn. Okay, so it has the smoker's package, perfect, right? Handbrake, you know, everything, what you need. The step up here, you can, do this. Yeah, it's a handle here. Well, only on this side though, not on the driver's side for some reason. But then you can of course step up here, grab here, and then, well, not much you can put on the roof though. But okay, and then just look at this bed. It is freaking massive. Yeah, if you don't need the space for passenger in the back, then this would be perfect for you. It has so big bed. But let me see. I need to try to open here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah. And then how do you get up? Because most of the other pickup trucks, there'll be some kind of solution where you can climb up, either a side step here for the Toyota. Here, I think you just have to try to get up here without, like this. If I found, be a big gummer. Okay, but yeah, now we're up here, plenty of space, and you have the rail here for, you know, strapping stuff on it. But I'm also looking for. There's no outlet or anything, but they kind of maximize the space. You get the space all the way out. Yeah, unlike the Toyota that was kind of bare bone. Here you actually get some nicer black interior here. Okay, but long enough bed. That's great. And then how do you get down again? I think maybe you're not supposed to get. Oh, it is. I mean, it has massive ground clearance though. See, I don't know, I'm eyeballing it. This might be over 20 centimeters. Actually the back, oh, I know. Yeah, let me put this up. Oh shit, it's big. Chinese steel, man, it's heavy. The back seems to be a bit higher, probably because the suspension has been tuned for maximum load, right? In the bed. Okay, so when you load it, then it kind of sags down. So now this is weird. When you're driving, the headlights will be shining down, so you have to adjust it up maybe. But yeah, I mean, it's called EV5. They were not sued by Kia yet for using the same name. Next point. So who knows whether this will come to Europe or not. Oh, I see there are some hooks here to put stuff, okay, securing. Yeah, so, but at least it should come to Thailand. Let me see if there's any info. Here. Want to know more about, okay, there's not that much info here. I was hoping for some kind of, maybe you have to go to this QR code if you want to know more. But yeah, one last thing I need to check here. We don't have that many pickup trucks, you know, on the market. So just want to know what is available. When I see the interior here, see the knob and all that, kind of reminds me of, even the smell, reminds me of AMG, you know? Okay, how is it in the front here? It seems like nobody's interested in this pickup truck. Except for me, of course, because, shit. See, you have to, there's a securing latch. Look at that. Oh yeah, seems like we have the onboard charger here and some junction box, and but the motors in the back is rear-wheel drive. It kind of smells like there should have been a fossil engine here, but it has been forcefully electrified. Okay, and then I just slam it down from here roughly. There, I think it latched now. Yeah, okay, so there you have it. Pickup trucks are actually getting more popular in Norway. I see many F-150, and then eventually should see more Musso EV, because they are quite affordable, and also the Maxus e-Terra 9. So maybe the next should come to Norway. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.